To our industry partners, community leaders, State Representative Norma Hernandez, we invite you to deepen your collaboration with Lincoln Tech. Together, we can ensure that the greater Chicago area remains a hub for the skilled trades, automotive, and healthcare fields. Our students are your future workforce, and our success is your success. Thank you for your continued partnerships in building careers, strengthening communities, and advancing the skilled trades that keeps America running.
As Karen mentioned, back in 1946, our founder, Warren Davies, saw something that mothers overlooked. He understood that opportunity and economic growth depend on people who know how to fill, prepare, and innovate. That was the heart of his vision, to close this middle skills gap by preparing students for careers that keep communities moving forward. 8 decades later, that mission is alive here in Melrose Park.
Supporting technical education isn't just about the workforce development, but it's about giving people a chance to build the life that we all want, which is the American dream, to have a livable wage, to have good benefits, and to be able to buy a home. So I want to thank Lincoln Tech and its partners for investing in our students, for investing in Melrose Park, and for showing what it looks like when education and industry come together to create real life-changing opportunities.
We had, from Jobs Patrols, we had brought in more than 47 plus students and actually have gone to the JCI Academy, and they're all throughout the United States. The 3 that I do remember that I got from here this past, about 2-3 years ago, they are running greens around guys who've been in the company for 25 years. So I look forward to what's next. I look forward to the partnership, Johnson Controls, Lincoln Tech. Definitely, congratulations.
Finally, this is about opportunity. When a student walks into this program, they're not just learning how to fix equipment. They're gaining confidence, building a future, and becoming a contributor to the community. So today, as we celebrate the program's new beginning, I want to thank Lincoln Tech for your commitment to excellence at the HVACR education.
Good morning, everyone. It's great to be back here. I'm your boy to back, and it's always good to be here. So I heard a lot of history stories today, and I like history. So I don't come from 1902, but the experience that I started here, actually it's about 35 years ago, beginning of October was when I started. My first class was automotive air conditioning, so it's good to be back here with the expansion of the air conditioning for your HVAC program, your Tesla program, and the expansion of your welding program. It's great to see how Lincoln Tech has grown so much over the years.